ECS tuning. Got my strut bar, my wind deflectors. Oh, and also got, where's it at? The little hood pin or hood pull, whatever you want to call it, metal one. My old car, this thing broke, bruh, so I was like, might as well cop this, fuck it. Pretty expensive, bruh, for a little thing. Oh shit, show him, he said show him. Look, you see?
Hard, bro, I'm not gonna lie.
And then look, the stickers, this is all stickers. But I was like,
it looks hard though.
because I can take the stickers out and put in somewhere.
Though.
You like the sticker? You want them? Because I'm not gonna use them full. Probably not the tuning. The tuning's annoying, but like this is cool.
Yeah, I was gonna say at least take off the tuning. Okay, I understand the tuning, but not this part.
But I don't want this either.
Really?
Yeah,
like
I'm just gonna take it all off.
because it's red. Wait, where does this go? Tell me where this goes.
Here, let me show you. That's what it's gonna look like though. But I got something for this, boys. We got this little spray. Hopefully it comes out cool. Just give it a little bit of sparkles, just so it's not just black, you feel me? And I'll probably be spraying some other shit too, but for now just the strut bar and the hood thing. I'm gonna hit the little pull pin too, or the hood release. This one should be quicker. Ooh! I'll probably have to show you guys when it's over though, because I can see it in person, but I don't think you can see it on video, bruh. What are you laughing at, bruh?
Because you're showing the shit right behind you.
Can you see it? Oh, you can almost see it, bruh.
Let me see if I can take a picture.
I'll put a flash. Let's see if it works with a flash. Oh yeah, you can start seeing it a little bit better. I'll show you guys tomorrow too though, once it's all light up and shit. We ran out of spray, boys. And check it out, boys. I actually wear hats now, bro. My hair was too long. Let me know what you guys think. Do I rock it or not? Ah, fuck. I feel like I look cool. Look like a little mullet looking ass, but before we go get more spray, I'm gonna put these little wind deflectors on. Just a little thing. I want this because in the rain, boys, I like having air still coming in, so you know what? This is pretty cool. I might take the weather tech stickers off. I don't know yet. I'll leave it on for now though. But it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's nothing crazy, you know, just a little touch of wind. What? Hello. Out with the old and with the new type shit. This one has the fucking sparkles too, but it's kind of hard to see on the. Oh, there we go. That should look good. I told them I was rocking hats now, and they were like, "Oh my god, you look so cute." Y'all really let me know though. I feel like it look cool. I feel like it looks cool. Cause my hair was looking mad dumb, bruh. Nah, not even all crazy bust, but dude, my fat ass finger won't let me. You got skinny fingers, Misa?
No.
Shut the fuck up, you do, fool. That took longer than it should have probably, but I mean, I think that's it. It might get scratched up, but let's see. Let's see if it even works actually.
Niggas is gonna be like, this nigga made one ollie and doesn't know how to act. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm nice.
Stop.
Check it. Oh. Skate 3 character, pick your character. That's how they move.
You look a little stiff.
Burial.
Woo! That was kind of cool actually.
That was nice.
That was kind of cool. I think it got kind of close to the camera.
Let me hit a burial. Actually, now just some regular shit. Oh shit! What? Dude, I actually almost landed that. Bro, I'm actually about to land kickflip.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg! Okay. I see that. I see you.
Stop capping on me, bro.
Ah, nigga swears. Skates for 3 seconds, doesn't know how to act.
Oh, which one? You know what trick I like the best?
Which one?
No complies when they go. and then go. That's like my favorite trick. I can't do it though, but it's a nice trick. This is my brother's setup actually from fucking when I was like fucking 12. I don't even know. It's been under my bed. I sold mine, but oh, we gotta get back into this shit, dude. It's fun.
Go subscribe to Rice Your Boy Daniel.
I finished spraying it. I just gotta drill the holes and then get it mounted up. You guys can't really see right now. You need the sun to hit this bitch, but it looks pretty cool. I got some clips of me skateboarding earlier too.
That nigga said of him skateboarding.
Yes, fool. I'm a good skater. I look like a skater too, huh?
Hell no.
Skate or die, skate or die.
I seen that shit.
I know. That's the cringe shit I tell you about, bro. It's fun to be cringe. You wanna go? Hey, you wanna go stretch some stairs?
No, I don't skate no more.
This nigga swears he doesn't skate, bro.
I'm retired. Even though I can hit a kickflip right now.
Let's see. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. I got you with the angles.
Oh shit.
You got a red right here, though. You got a red right here.
This is hella waterlogged. What happened to it?
I took a bath with it.
Hey, hella tight trucks.
Oh shit, that was close, fool. I know. I like them tighter, bro. I like them tighter. That's how I ride. You ride loose? Nah, I don't like loose. Can you do no comply?
Yeah?
Do it. I like that trick. That's my favorite trick. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Why do people keep on thinking no comply so hard?
It is hard, bro. I can't do it. How do you do it?
All you're doing is stepping off the board here.
I know, but I can't hit it. I don't know why. I'm not nice with it. I'm not nice with it. Oh, damn.
Oh, I had a skateboard not that long ago. Try it.
This is how you do trick. It's because I got hella shit on my pocket, bro.
I have a
Alright, alright. It's good. I can do a varial, bro. Look.
A burial. No, you cannot inland it.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna watch out.
That nigga said, bro. Look.
That boy.
Almost, right?
Yeah.
Like, I get the form, but I can't land it. I know it. I'm waiting for the battery to charge on the drill. I'm still wearing the hat, boys. It wasn't just a little phase, you feel me? No middle school shit. But look, we got the freaking stripper on there. I actually kind of like how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see the little freaking the clear coat I put on it. The whatever it's called, the rainbow sparks, not sparks, but flakes or whatever. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Right now, I'm gonna just tap it so I know where to drill while I wait for the freaking thing to charge. I eat those turds. Oh my god, that's just cool, bro. Woo, shit. We made it, boys. Check out the view. Check out the whip. Nice views. Weather's nice. The wind feels cold. You feel me? It's starting to low-key get colder. I want it to start raining a little bit. That's exactly why I got these, bro. I don't know when it's gonna rain, but we'll just have to wait and see, bro. God damn, it's nice here, boys. It's nice here. Hey, one day we all cruising here, boys. One day we all cruising here for sure. A couple of us. There's a pretty good amount of room. Some of y'all could just go park down there, fuck it, bro. Y'all just off-road real quick. Y'all can park on that side. Like, we got room over here. We got room over here. We can get a couple of us out here. It'd be pretty cool. It's pretty nice. I don't think you can swim here though. That'd be kind of cool, but I don't think so. Anyways, the strut bar is cool. I just personally don't like how it doesn't fit flush. Before I drill into this bit, I'm gonna make sure it fits flush. So for now, I'm gonna just skip that for now. I'll probably eventually put it, but it's whatever right now. I ain't really tripping. I wonder if I can even be here, bro, to be honest. I don't know if that was a Ranger. Oh shit. Nah, I'm playing. But I mean, I ain't really tripping. I got my little wind deflectors and my little, what else did I put? Oh yeah, the fucking hood latch. That's the wind deflectors. Yo, this shit looks so sick. Let me get a cool pic. Yeah, that's a cool pic right there. They're weather tech, you guys already know. And then the hood latch. It's just a little latch, boys. It's just that, bro. ECS tuning. I sprayed it with the sparkles. You can't really see right now in the sunlight. You can though. Just enjoy the view, boys. Just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view times 2, bro. Hell yeah. That's pretty much it for this video, boys. Just gonna sit here for a bit, probably. Just chill. And then I gotta go home, edit this up, post it. So hope y'all enjoy. Let me know. I think this one might be a little bit longer of a video. I don't know, I haven't edited yet, but if it's a longer one, you guys like longer videos, shorter videos? Actually, nah, I mean, they're gonna be pretty much 10 minutes, you feel me? At least, minimum. But like, I might throw in a couple like 20-minute ones, you feel me? Like, just to spice it up a bit, I guess. I don't know, just random shit like that. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys, if I can make the ECS tuning strut bar fit good. So I would if I could, but for now it's cool. But I like how this looks right here. This should look clean, huh?